creative career, it gives me the freedom to express my creativity in designing. My name is Lois. I'm an interior designer. After working in commercial space for 7 years, I turned freelancing to be my outlet of my endless imagination. For me, good design means the ability to create the sense of harmony and still fulfilling the practical needs of our everyday lifestyle. Most of my interior influences drawn from the historical heritage buildings and our beautiful landscape, and would love my client to experience the Malaysian touches with the reflection of their taste and lifestyle.